How to turn off app notification for a specific app. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you turn off app notification for an specific apps. So let's get started. First, open the settings on your device. From settings, you'll have to scroll down and tap on apps. From app section, find out the specific application from where you want to just turn off notification. Simply find out the application. After you find it, you'll have to just open that, and from this section, simply tap on notification. Now from your at the top, simply you can tap and turn off that. After you made for this, you will be able to turn off app notification for a specific app on your device. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.